In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access accessibility features. Then hit one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. Lastly, to use it, follow all of those instructions. I have 3 keys navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, click on blank area, and to change placement of your screen, just swipe in opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to switch off one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!